little noise. Because as y'all know, it's a gas shortage, so I'm not gonna be driving the car anyway. But the route guy gonna let me know whether to bring the car in this Friday or Monday. But definitely next week the car will be in the shop, and it should be done. Look at this truck. Can y'all see that? But it should be done before next week is over with. As in like Saturdays. And I'm very excited. I can't wait to see the wrap on the car. Yeah, I already got a picture of what it's gonna look like on the car, but everything looks different once you see it in person. And I just can't wait to show y'all my vision and to get y'all, I don't really care about y'all opinion, but to get y'all input on how y'all feel about it. Like I said, this wrap is gonna, you know, it's, God, he all on my side. This wrap is gonna show you why I'm not changing my name from Slime. Plus, I got too much built behind the Slime Pack name, so it's like changing the whole name and starting a whole different movement is a lot of time consuming. Because like, if you search my name in YouTube now, all my videos will pop up. Like whenever I first started doing YouTube, somebody else and some other stuff will pop up on the Slime. But now, you type in Slime Pack, I'm the main one to pop up. But here come this bridge, you know, I got to give a pull up under this bridge. What's up, y'all? First I want to start off by saying this gas shortage, this is no joke. Listen, I haven't got gas in a week. My car was on full whenever the gas started running out. I probably got about $10 to push me back at full, but I haven't gotten gas in a week, and that's very rare. Usually I fill up about every 2 days, every 2 to 3 days, depending on how much I'm driving. But I've been having this car parked. I've been going wherever I need to take the car to get whatever done, and that's it. But tomorrow I'm taking the car to the wrap shop, so either way it go, I'm not stressing gas. But I ain't been able to get out to make no kind of exciting content. Ain't nobody really been having no meets because ain't nobody got gas. I had some good content at the Dodge dealership, but it was like, that's like a 45 to 50 mile ride there. Then I got to make that ride back, and it wasn't no gas, so it's like, it ain't even worth it at the time. But as y'all know, I done gave y'all that wrap reveal. Hopefully y'all excited about that, but ain't nobody more excited than me. I just can't wait. Like I said, I'm dropping the car off tomorrow morning at the wrap shop. I'm not gonna have the car for at least a week, but I'm not stressing it. Like I said, it's a gas shortage. Now it's a lot of regular gas out, but ain't nobody got no 93. Like, what's up with that? And even whenever gas ran out, I thought, you know, maybe, you know, 93 would kind of last a little bit longer, but All the 87 users been getting up out of 93 knowing that they don't even use 93. But that's not what this video is about. Like I said, I got a new mod on my car, which is LED lights. I'm gonna get out and walk around and show y'all. A friend of mine, he has his own shop. He does work on cars, LED, sound, all of that stuff. I'm gonna put his Instagram up there on the screen. Y'all can hit him up. He's based at his own shop, at his own location around my area. So if you know where I live or around my area, then basically you can hit him up. I don't know if he ship out anything. Y'all can go to his DMs and ask him yourself, but I know he do a lot of work that's around this area. So if y'all want to do that, y'all hit him up in his DMs, let him know that Slime Pack sent you, so you know you get the best deals. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Make sure y'all like this video, drop a green or purple emoji. When the video is over with, come back and leave an actual comment. And if you ain't subscribed already, then start playing with slime. Oh, one more thing. Once I get the wrap put on, I'm trying to be able to make it to a lot of shows, car shows, a lot more events. So if y'all know anything that's going on, let me know on my Instagram. Hit me up in my DMs. I try to read everything that I can. Listen, whenever you got like a business page account, that's, I don't know how to put it, but you got different inboxes. You got a primary, you got a general, then you got a request inbox. So it's like everything goes to different inboxes. So I might miss some of y'all messages, but I try to check everything throughout the day. So if y'all know any events going on that you want me to attend and that you'll be there, if you would like to see me there, let me know on my Instagram. Please send a flyer so I can see the correct information. Some people be telling me, hey, pull up at this event. You know, they don't even got the location. So if you got a flyer, send it to me and just let me know. But I'm trying to make it to Gap Fest. I know in order to be able to make that, I'm gonna have to use some of my vacation time, and that is a 12-hour drive for me. That's the main thing, like 12 hours. That's a half a day. And I'm trying to make it. I want to go badly, but you know, we gonna see how that can go. So far in my mind, I'm trying to make it. Like I said, I'm gonna have to use some vacation days at work, and that's a 12-hour drive. I'm gonna have to pay for room to stay, and I'm not trying to just stay no one night and then have to turn right back around and drive back 12 hours and then go back to work that same night. So that's why I got to use some vacation days. But the biggest thing for me is I don't like driving hours. I'm very impatient, so whenever I'm ready to get somewhere, I'm ready to do something, I'm ready. But I'm gonna try to branch out and make this event. But if I can't make this event, you know, I'm gonna try to make it up at another event or whatever. So as y'all can see, I got the lights on. It is a full underglow. No, it is not a box set. The guy who installed the lights, he custom make the lights himself. He do all the patterns and all that himself. I'm gonna put his Instagram right there on the screen. I wanted to record him, but he don't like to be recorded. But y'all know how y'all have, it be some lights that you could buy. They have like come with 4 bars, and you can see each section of the lights. I don't like that. I like for my lights to flow all together. As you can see, it's flowing all together, not in sections. So this right here is the app. Also, you're able to change some of the settings yourself. So y'all can see, yo, look at that blue. Well, this screen ain't really picking it up, but it's real blue. It's a deep blue, but it's real bright. You know, well, in North Carolina, I know it is illegal to ride with blue or red or amber lights here in North Carolina. But, you know, here's some other colors and some other patterns. I like that right there. I gotta save that. What's that called? Slider. But yeah, it's so much different stuff to play around with. It do so many different patterns. Like I said, he custom make all these patterns himself. Install them here on the app. If you're around my area and you like some stuff, I don't know if he custom make stuff and ship it out. Y'all can hit him up on his Instagram and see. Just let him know that Slime Pack sent you. Like I say, you know, so you get them best deals. But also, he's the only dude that I really been going to for a job on lights. So he did my previous car before, which is my Impala. I still got it. I still got the lights on there. I'm gonna show y'all the setup. It's a crazy setup.